So in this exercise, we are given an exponential equation and we have to solve it using logarithms. This is an advanced exercise according to Alex, but it's actually pretty easy. You will see that in a minute. And we have to give the answer in decimal. So we will use the calculator maybe. Yeah, we'll use Alex calculator. But we have here a exponential equation like 15 to the minus 5x equals 11 to the minus x plus 7. This, according to Alex, is advanced because we have the exponent. We have in the exponent the x, and we have another exponent with x. So this is marked as advanced because the only way to solve this exercise is by applying logarithms on both sides, but it's not that hard. So because I have the x in the exponent, x in the exponent, I need to find a way to get this exponent down. And I know, because I have worked with the properties of logarithms before, that there is a rule that is called the power rule. And by now you should know this by heart because we've been using it the whole module. That tells me that whenever I have a logarithm of a number, for example 5 square, I can rewrite that as the exponent down multiplying the logarithm. That is the exponent rule. The exponent rule takes the exponent and puts it to the left side of the number, and then here I don't have any exponent anymore. That you must know by now that this is the power rule. And that is what I want to use to solve these kind of exercises. But before I need to have logarithms, and I don't see any logarithm here or here. There are just not logarithms. So I need to add these logarithms by adding a natural. I can solve this exercise in both ways. I can use natural logarithms, or I can use logarithms base 10. For Alex, it's the same. The explanation that Alex gives you at first is with base 10, so let us use that. Let us use logarithm base 10 of 15 to the minus 5x equals logarithm base 10 of, and I will move it out of here, there, 11 to the minus x plus 7. Yeah, remember, it's optional, it's always optional to write the 10. When you have a logarithm base 10, you can choose to write this 10 or not, so I will not write it. I know this is a base 10 logarithm. Alright, now that I have this in the log form, I need to apply this power rule. So I will take my exponent and I will write it here. I will do that here. Minus 5x multiplying the logarithm 15. Alright, I can apply the same rule here. So I will do that. I will write that number down here, multiplying my logarithm base 11. Okay, now if you see, I have my x down. I no longer have my x in the exponent, which is awesome because it is what was making some noise for the exercise. This is now not longer an advanced exercise. From now on, it's just a basic solving exercise. And now, how do I solve for x? Well, first I realize that I have a multiplication on the right side, so I want to do this multiplication, and I will do that. So I will multiply on the left side. I will just leave it like that for the moment. Minus 5x logarithm of 15. But on the right side, I am multiplying. Logarithm 11 minus x. Well, I will make a space here. Here. So I will write minus x logarithm of 11 plus 7 times the logarithm of 11. Like that. Now, I will just take to the left side anything that has an x and will leave on the right side anything that does not have an x. Here I have an x, so that term should not be there, should be on the left side. So it would be minus 5x logarithm of 15 plus x logarithm of 11 equals 7 times the logarithm of 11. Okay, like that. Once that I have on one side all of the terms that have an x on it, which in this case are just this and this, I can go and factorize. I can factorize the x because it's a common term. So I have x multiplying minus 5 logarithm of 15 plus the logarithm of 11. That has to be equal to 7 log 11. Alright. At this point, all I have left to do is move this big number that is to the right of my x. In this case, this big number is multiplying, so I will see it on the right side dividing. So my x is still here. Then I will write the equal sign, and I will write 7 times the logarithm of 11. That is over minus 5 logarithm of 15 plus 10, no, plus logarithm of 11. And that is the answer. I just need to write this in a decimal form. For that, I will use Alex calculator. I have Alex calculator here, so I wanna do this in the calculator, which is gonna be 7 times the logarithm of 11. And in the denominator I have minus 5 times the logarithm of 15 plus logarithm of 11 again. Okay, and that is minus this number, and I'm going to write the number here. That was here minus 1.50. Okay, that is the answer to this exercise. Let's check. Be careful. Okay, what this is saying is that I need to write the nearest thousand, so I needed to add another decimal because it says thousand, not decimal, so I need the last decimal there. Now I check, and that is the right answer.